Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Walidoko, and I'm the CEO of Louis Mobile Technology. Well, today I want to show you guys how to replace and or you can actually say repair this this Tecno screen. The screen got damaged, so this screen actually is not dead, but I want to fix it. At first the screen is showing white, so and I think it's as a result of falling inside the water. So now I'm going to remove it and then dress it well and put it back, and you will see so now I have to use the workstation to remove it, as you can see it from the video. So what I have to do first is to use my workstation. Usually when you want to remove this type of screen, you can either use a soldering iron or use a workstation, but sometimes we prefer using the soldering iron because it helps to maintain the pin of that very particular screen. But when you are using a soldering iron, if the soldering iron is not too hot, it's not too hot to be able to melt the lead, it cannot do it. So this workstation does it better. So just watch how I'm going to remove this one now. So easy and so clean. So you can see I've just removed it now. That's the screen. This is 37 legs. I'm sorry, this is 17 leg. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dress it very well, and I'm going to also dress the screen pin. So let me now add. Yeah, I'm going to use the soldering iron now to dress the screen, as you can see it now. So I need to dress every pin, making sure that no one is touching each other. And before I now do the same thing on the screen, I have to dress the screen very well. As you can see now, so I have to dress the screen very well. You have to do it anytime you are doing this type of work. You need to apply some paste, because this paste helps to separate some of the pin. When you are dressing it like this, it helps to separate the pin. If not, you will see that some of the pin will be joining, will be touching each other, which is absolutely wrong. So what I'm going to do now is to solder it back on the engine. Just watch how I'm going to. So every pin have to go to where they every pin from the screen have to go to the pin of the phone, as you can see. So no one should touch each other. So I have to make sure that no pin touch the one that is not where it's supposed to be. So that's what I did, and as you can see how I'm dressing it now. So I have to dress it to make sure that none of the pin is touching each other. So if you can look at it very well, you see that none of the pin is touching each other. So that is just how to fix this type of screen, especially when it shows white. Sometimes when it shows white, it's not necessarily that the screen is damaged or the screen is dead. It can be as a result of maybe removing the screen and fixing it back, just like I have just did now. So let me now test it so that you see that the screen is gonna pick and work. So I was on it now. Here you can see, so the screen is back to normal. Initially the screen was showing white, but sorry, I couldn't paste the screen before then. But as you can see now, it's working perfectly. So what I have to do now is to couple the phone back. I have to couple it back, gently couple the phone back, making sure that I have to tie the knot, as you can see. So tighten the knot now. So once the owner comes, I'll now have to hand over their property to them. So if you like this video, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. If you have any question, use the comment section and ask me whatever you want to ask. And thank you very much guys for your time and for your contribution on this channel. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.